What are stocks? Squirrel want to start acorn business, but squirrel need money to start acorn business. Squirrel not have money, so squirrel have idea. Squirrel try to rob forest bank, but this fails. So squirrel ask rich squirrels for money to start acorn business. And in exchange, rich squirrels get a small piece of the acorn business. This is called a stock. Buying acorn stock makes rich squirrels partial owners of acorn business. With this new money, squirrel must resist urge to buy Lamborghini and instead invest in more oak trees to grow acorn business, which means more profit. Squirrel investors also get profits from acorn business. These are called dividends. Every squirrel wins. Stocks versus shares. Squirrel used these words to describe same thing, like how this is garbage and this is trash, but stocks and shares are actually different. Shares are like little pieces of stock. If stock is oak tree, shares are acorns. The more acorn stock squirrel investor buy, the more individual shares squirrel receive. The higher the percentage of acorn business squirrel own. Different types of stocks. Just like squirrels, not all stocks are the same. Stocks from big squirrel companies are more slow-growing and reliable. Squirrels call these blue-chip stocks, whereas smaller squirrel startups are high-risk. Squirrels call these penny stocks. The stock market. This is where all squirrel companies set up so that squirrels can buy and sell their stocks. When stock prices go up, squirrels call this a bull market. Basically, if there's a bull in the market, squirrels happy. Squirrels like bulls. But if there's a bear in the market, stock prices go down. Bear is scary. Stock funds. Much like squirrels on a cold night, some stocks crave the warmth of others. This is called a fund. A group of stocks like Squirrel S and P500 is made of the 500 largest squirrel companies in the jungle. Most squirrels see this fund as good investment, as it is low risk, except when politician squirrel get involved. Hedge funds. This is group of stocks that can make squirrels a lot more money, but have higher risk. Hedge fund not for everyday squirrel. Only rich squirrels can invest. Funds become more valuable when stocks become more valuable. But why do stock price change? Acorn stock price can go up or it can go down. This can be for many reasons. More demand for acorn, price go up. Acorn business expanding, price go up. Squirrel eat all the acorns, price go down. Even news can change stock price, like reports that squirrels are working on something super secret. If any squirrel is confused, remember this very important. This video is not financial advice. Please do not sue squirrel.